Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you an easy tip that I came up with to help protect the vent covers of my camper during outside winter storage. Ideally, I'd like to store my camper inside during the winter. However, I don't have a garage and a storage unit just wasn't in the cards this year. The area where I live usually gets about 150 inches of snow each year, so I needed a way to prevent the vent covers from being damaged by my shovel. So there you have it, a super simple idea to help protect your roof vents this winter. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.